Hello, and this is the presentation for 5.3. This is the state diagram. So there are five states: on state, ready state, wait state, running state, and game over state. So on the on state, when you press go stop, nothing happens. But if you press insert coin, it moves on to the ready state. From there, if you insert a coin, nothing happens because you have already inserted a coin. If you press go and stop, it goes to the wait state. From here, there can be three possible actions. You can insert a coin, which will do nothing because you already have inserted. You can press go stop and it'll go back to the on state because cheating is not allowed. You can't guess the time. But if you press, but if you just wait for a random time from 1 to 2.5 seconds, it'll go to the running state. In the running state, if you insert a coin, nothing happens. It just goes back to, it does nothing. And if you press go stop, then it'll stop at the time you press stopped and go to the game over state. The game over state will show you the time you have reached, and if you insert a coin during that time, nothing happens. If you press go stop, then it goes on to the on state. So this is the state diagram explanation. Let's go to the program. Simple reaction controller. So this at the start of the program, there's a set of constants. This is so that you can change the game setting at a single location, and also it prevents like magic numbers, I guess. And there are max game time, which is 2 seconds. Game over time, that's 3 seconds. Minimum wait time, that's 1 second. And maximum wait time, that's 2.5 seconds. And tick seconds are just 1 second. And these are counted in milliseconds, that's why they're multiplied by 100. So these are the set of properties. This is the initializers, and it calls state to handle each events. This is the constructor method for connect, and these are also event handlers. I have defined a abstract class here. You can see that um, it calls a new simple reaction controller. It's in a protected access modifier, and it initializes the controller and also calls for abstract event handlers. So on the on state, if you insert a coin, then it moves on to the next state, which is the ready state. If you press go, nothing happens. So in the ready state, you'll set the display to press go, and if you insert a coin, nothing happens. But if you press go and stop, it'll move on to the wait state. This is the wait state. I have declared a wait time int, which set the private access modifier, and this will basically store the random wait time from 1 to 2.5 seconds. It'll display wait. If you press go stop within that, it'll go back to on state because you're not allowed to guess what time the random time ends. And it will keep incrementing to show that if it reaches wait time, then it should go to the running state. In the running state, you'll set the display to 0.00 and set the ticks to 0 because you want to reset the ticks. And if you insert a coin, nothing happens, but if you go to go stop pressed, it'll go to game over state. That means it'll calculate the time of, it doesn't really calculate, it just stops at the time you press go stop. It'll go to the game over state. And this to get the time in what do you call decimal value. That's why you're dividing it by 100. 6 seconds is 100, and this is the time you have consumed to press stop. So, but if it just reaches max game time, which is 2 seconds, it will go to game over state. It'll stop the game immediately. In the game over state, where initializing tick back to 0, if you press go coin insert, nothing happens. If you press go stop, it'll go back to the on state. And if, oh, this is supposed to be on still. Yeah. And if you press go stop, yeah, it'll go back to the on state, and game over time, which is 3 seconds. If you just keep waiting for 3 seconds, if you don't do anything, it'll go back to the on state again. Let's check it out. It takes a while for my machine to load. Sorry. Nice. Yay. Finally it's here. So if you press go stop during the start of the game, nothing happens. Insert a coin, you should press go. Then you can insert a coin, nothing happens. You can press go and it'll go to the wait step. But if you press go during the wait time, it goes back to on state. This is the on state. You press insert coin, it'll go back to press go. You'll have to wait from 1 second to 2.5 seconds, then you stop. It'll show you the display time. If you press go, it'll go back to on state, insert coin. You insert a coin, press go. Let's wait. Let's not do anything for 2 seconds. That's 1 second. That's 2 seconds. It just stops. Let's wait for the game time to end. That's 3 seconds. It'll go back to non state. That's it for the simple reaction machine. And oh, I'll show you the tester as well. So the tester is in a different file. Oops. So this is the tester for simple reaction machine, and this is just to check when you're programming that if it passes all the tests or not. I'm not really sure what this tester does. It had a lot of problem, but basically like I had to put the same string as these, and it started working. Like I just put wait with 1 dot and it wasn't working, but if I put 3 dots, then it was working. This is 38 test results. You have to pass all of them, and this is basically to check if each and every step of your program works. So yep, summary 38, but test pass out 38. Thank you.